Welcome to UVexplorer, the ultimate tool for network discovery and monitoring. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to configure up-down monitoring for your network devices. Let's get started. UVexplorer is an agentless network monitoring and mapping tool, and is quick and easy to configure. To get started, open UVexplorer and go to the Monitoring tab and select Ping Latency. On the Settings tab, select either Ping, Ping and SNMP or SNMP only, the timeout and retries, and round-trip thresholds. Next, choose the devices you want to monitor. The devices are divided into two sections. Select a device to add it to the monitored device list. You can then add any sensor to the device. UVexplorer allows you to apply an unlimited amount of sensors to any device. Once the device is selected, select the Schedule tab to set how often to run the up-down monitor. Finally, select how you would prefer to be notified of any alerts. UVexplorer provides email, Slack, and ServiceNow integration. UVexplorer will also log all alerting and monitoring events. Thanks for watching this video on configuring up-down monitoring in UVexplorer. For more information on network monitoring, please visit UVexplorer.com.